How to enable dark mode in the Where is my train application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can enable dark mode in the Where is my train application. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply open up your Where is my train application, and once you will open up the application you will see an interface like this. Also, the steps for changing the dark mode or light mode are almost identical for both the Android and iOS devices with minimum UI difference. So once you are inside your application, you will see a screen like this, and on this screen you need to click onto these three lines present at the top left corner. So simply click onto these three lines and you will get access to this particular navigation menu. Now in this particular navigation menu you can see this fourth option that says change light or dark mode. So simply click onto this option, and from here if you want to have a permanent dark theme you can click onto this dark mode, or if you want it to detect automatically the system settings, so that means if the phone is in dark mode it will automatically adapt to dark mode, or if the mobile is in light mode then it will automatically adapt to the light mode. So if you want it to be automatic you can choose the system default option and click onto the save button. And now you can see, since currently my device is in dark mode, so the application has also turned itself into dark mode. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.